Welcome to my Java NetBeans graphic tutorial. In this section I'm just going to develop an horizontal graphic role of about 7 to 9 rows actually, but the difference is it will have some randomized color setting in it. So I'm going to start by saving my files. I just call it horizontal. So I'm calling it horizontal. I've actually unchecked this create main class. So my system is being generated. It's creating a new project for me right now. Now that my new project is created right there, that's it. So I just right click on it, select new JFrame, click on JFrame. Now in there, enter the name of my file horizontals, and right here just call that, the package name will be horizontal as well. Maybe just take off let's make a difference with the naming. Now click on finish. Okay, the form is ready. The next thing is to right click on the form, go to event, and go to events, then select window activated. Now that window activated is ready, you can always get rid of this if you want, or maybe just leave it there. Whatever you choose to do is alright. So I'm just going to now, right here is my horizontal codes that I've made up. So I'm just going to copy all of those. I believe you guys, you've seen these codes on several occasions in some of my previous tutorial there. So let me just paste it there, right there, and those are the codes. So I'm now going to get rid of one of these brackets, zigzag bracket, that's fine. Then you can see the color error right there. The reason being is I need to import some files into the system. Those are the files that I need to, the libraries that I need to import. So I'm just going to copy them. If you look at my previous tutorial, you ought to have seen all of this library in my previous tutorial. So hopefully the errors are gone right now. That's it guys, the errors are gone. So I'm just going to take my time, tidy it up. While I'm tidying it up, you guys can have a good look at the codes so that you can make good use of it. So right up here is the background color, which I've already set to black. Now that is the variable that I've defined for my timer, because I'm going to be using timer there. I've already defined a variable G for my graphic that I'm going to be using, and now for loop for the color randomization. That's the for loop setting for the color randomization, and here that's the fill rectangle that I'm going to be using for my horizontal lines. That's for rule 1. And the same thing is actually repeated for all of the other roles. So there isn't much, there's no difference actually. You guys seeing that? So what I'll do now is just run the program, then you see what I'm talking about. Now just before I run the program, you can see where I start the timer. You must always start the timer as well. So let's save. Once the system is ready, I'll just run it and show it to you guys. And right here guys, that is the end of this tutorial. I suppose you all enjoyed, and if you want to develop something similar, you can have another good look at the codes. Let me just show it to you guys. move it up. Starting from my imported library, you must import the following. And I'll scroll down. The event procedure used, that's it right there. It's just form window activated. That's the event procedures. And right here, background setting, timer, graphic, for loops. So the same programming setup is used for all of the rows. In total, I have 9 rows, though not 9 rows will be visible to you guys on the screen. But one thing you must make sure you do is at the end of each definition of the codes, you must enter timer.start, or else your randomized colors will not change. So one more time, let me just show you guys the codes, and let me just show you guys that's the final output right there. And I hope you all enjoy it. So you all have a nice day now.